Good afternoon everyone. My name is Poornima Hosamani and basically I am from Kalburgi. I have completed my degree in the Shanbaswa University and I got placed and I got the opportunity from my campus itself, that is the Jspiders in the Rajajinagar, and I joined the Jspiders in the month of April 2022 only. And when I came to this, my actually background was electronics and communication, but the coding I felt suddenly I took the course as a Java only, but suddenly I felt it was little difficult to catch the coding part and all. But with the help of all the trainers and HRs, I was very happy that they have supported me a lot, and now I am totally perfect, I can say, in the Java point. And in the month of September, I got placed in the Estimate Software Private Limited Company with the package 3 LPA, and yeah. I'm very happy that I got all the opportunities and supportiveness from the Jspiders, all the HRs, trainers. Thank you so much.